Ready to bake Mommy your cake, little man?
Ready, Dad. Wow!
Ta-da!
Wait, Daddy, it's gotta look extra special for Mommy. Like that one.
Well, why don't you try drawing a flower to make it special?
Okay, look at me drawing the extra special flower, Daddy. Oh no, I messed up. Mommy's cake is ruined.
I don't think it's ruined. Do you want to try again?
I don't think I want to.
Are you maybe feeling afraid to try again because you might make a mistake?
Uh-huh. I'm afraid of messing up.
It's okay to feel that way, but mess-ups happen to everyone, and when they do, that just means we get to learn and try again.
But I really want this cake to be extra special for Mommy.
It will be. Mommy will love our cake because you made it. Here, let's start over. Pat a cake, baker's man. Decorate a cake as best as you can. Frost it and shape it until it's done. Making a cake's a whole lot of fun.
I don't know if I can do it. I'm afraid it won't be perfect.
But it doesn't need to be perfect. It's made with love, so she will love it. Pat a cake, baker's man. Decorate a cake as best as you can. And if we mess up, we laugh out loud. If we have fun making it, we can be proud.
There's some peaches, Mommy's favorite. Can we shape them like a heart?
Oh, that's such a great idea. She will love it. You're so smart. Pat a cake, baker's man. Decorate a cake as best as you can. With almonds and berries, we do our best. And if we make mistakes, it's still a success.
I think I really got it. With this flower, we're almost done.
And if we make mistakes, we laugh and have more fun.
Wow! I kept trying, and now the cake looks great.
This cake is very special, and she's going to love it because it was made by you. Pat a cake, baker's man. Decorate a cake as best as you can. And if we mess up, that's okay. We'll try again another way.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cody's Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I love it! I especially love the stick figures. It's us holding hands. I love it, Pumpkin. You've made this my most extra special birthday ever.
I love you, Mommy.
All right, who's ready for cake?
Yes,
Here you go.
I